Now we are looking at banking. Again, it's a very simple chapter. All the chapters henceforth are going to be very simple. So maximum, as I was telling Maria, that we will try to finish as much as possible. These are all group 2, but I just want to finish so that certain parts, 1 or 2 chapters may still be left, but at that I will leave it for the time being. If anybody wants to do it, I can do it separately, but I just need to close it as soon as possible. Couple of chapters more. Okay, you'll have to just bear with me. Now, this summary is purely from the material I've taken. These are chapters just to make you understand that there are a lot of inside stuff. If you get time, you read it. Okay, but they can ask some theory questions, and sometimes once they have asked this tier 1 problem question. But we are now looking at these two majorly, unit 4 and unit 5. I don't, and unit 6. These are three things where practical problems are coming, and in that also this is the discounting and collection of bills, acceptance and endorsements. Then we will look at income recognition, provisioning, and last is financial statements. This is how the chapter, this banking chapter, is covered. Now, these are the format. Again, here also, like schedule 3, there's a format for balance sheet. So you have to be careful. You have to maintain that balance sheet, even for P&L. Normally, they don't ask balance sheet, but there is a, you cannot predict. But P&L they regularly ask. So you have to be careful in doing the P&L, and the format is very important here. Okay, that's why I've given it in the material itself, so that, and these are the schedules. So schedule also needs to be worked. So these are the schedules. Just put it. Now, before coming to this provisioning, we'll cover rebate on bill discount. Very simple. This is similar. I'm not saying exactly the same, but it's similar to that average due date and those things, similar things. What it, or in non-trading, you have income not earned. What do? You transfer it. So basically, this is the financial year. This is a financial year you have. Now, as far as bank is concerned, this is a transaction where a bank discounts a bill of exchange. You know that bill of exchange is discount. The but it is for full amount of discount earned is credited to the discount account. So when they get the discount, so that means suppose somebody is discounting here, but the actual payment for that from the third party is going to come to the bank at this stage. That means the period of the bill is going over the next year, over the next period. What initially done is the entire, when they discount it, entire say 1,000 rupees. This is say 3112. Okay, this is 36. So this is for 6 months. Now the 1,000 rupees is entirely taken into discount account at the time of doing. But and as on 31st March, actually out of this, only 3 months is earned. The 3 months is not earned, right? Therefore, to the extent of 500 only can be taken to income. The other 500 cannot be taken to income because it is relating to the next year. That is transferred to the rebate account. So basically, when some bills discounted may not mature for payment by the close of the year, as a result of the amount of discount in respect of such bills would not have been earned during the year. That is this part. On this consideration, the unexpired portion, unexpired is this portion of such discount is carried forward by debiting the discount account, because you have totally credited the 1,000 rupees, right? And crediting the rebate on bill discounted. So what you do is you debit discount and credit rebate on discount. It's like advance income received. It's like advance income received. You credit that discount account. The latter is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet as income received which has not been accrued before the year end. At the commencement of the next accounting year, this account is closed and again taken into income, because next year when it comes, this year you pushed it from income and transferred it to this rebate account. Next year, the rebate will be debited and again brought into income. That's the only thing. There's nothing else in this. Okay, we'll do problem, but before that, let me look any more theory is there. We will discuss and then we'll go. Nothing. So apart from that, there are other things that we will discuss a little later. So just let us do the problems and then we'll come back to that. Because if I uh, okay, I'll not do now. I'll just stop it. Then we'll continue later on.